Hello everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we bring you in-depth reviews of the latest and greatest products on the market. Today, we have something truly special to share with you. Introducing the Ceramic Glue by Cocomfix, the ultimate solution for all your ceramic repair needs. Not only is this glue incredibly effective, but it's also food safe, making it the best option for any kitchenware or pottery projects. Now, let's dive into what makes this ceramic glue stand out from the rest. First off, let's talk about its versatility. This ceramic glue isn't just for ceramics. It can bond a wide range of materials including porcelain, glass, metal, plastic, and even rubber. So whether you're fixing a broken dish, a cracked ceramic pot, or embarking on a DIY crafting project, this glue has got you covered. And here's the best part, it's incredibly easy to apply. Thanks to its unique gel formula and precision applicator tip, you can apply the glue exactly where you need it without any mess or fuss. Now, let's address the elephant in the room: safety. Unlike some other ceramic glues on the market, Cocomfix's ceramic glue is completely safe and non-toxic. That means you can use it with peace of mind, knowing that it won't leach any harmful chemicals into your food or environment. Now, you might be wondering how to use this ceramic glue for optimal results. Just follow these easy steps. Clean the surface first. Apply the glue evenly on both sides of the crack. Connect the pieces. Allow 24 hours for the bond to reach its maximum strength. In conclusion, if you're in need of a reliable, food-safe ceramic glue that gets the job done right the first time, look no further than Cocomfix Ceramic Glue. Your pottery, porcelain, and kitchenware will thank you. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more reviews of top-notch products like this one. Until next time, happy crafting!